Hey guys, what's up? It's Faith and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach my hair this platinum silvery blonde color. And yes, this video was filmed like a few months ago before I came to school, so that's why my roots have returned. But this is a very highly requested video and I actually did one of these a really long time ago, but I wanted to do an updated version for you guys. So if you guys have any questions on how I do this, just keep on watching. I'm going to be showing you guys everything. And I also want to put a disclaimer in here and say that I'm not a professional, which is why what I do in this video is not going to be professional because I'm not a professional. Duh. Also, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and let's get into today's video. Alright fam, so I'm starting out with putting coconut oil all over my hair just to make sure that it is protected before I bleach the crap out of it. After I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with this Frosted Design highlighting kit. I literally just use a highlighting kit to bleach my hair because I found that it works better than actual bleach. So I mix that together and I'm just going to put it on my hair. After I cover the first layer, I just take the back of the brush and just part my hair down the side in a thin little piece and repeat the process over and over again until my whole head is covered. Once my whole head is covered, then I'm going to take a super duper fancy Target bag and tie it around my head so I look like a pirate, and this just helps the heat kind of retain so it processes faster. I usually let it sit for about 30 minutes and then it should look this really pale yellow color, and then you just want to go ahead and hop in the shower and rinse it out. And my hair tends to get really tangly, so I'm just going to put some leave-in product and brush my hair out and then go back in with the coconut oil. And since I have dark brown hair, my hair doesn't usually lift all the way with just one bleach, so I go back in with my bleach, but I mix in some shampoo with it so it's like a bleach bath and it's not like as damaging. And then I just apply that to my hair in the spots that I think it needs a little bit more bleach. And then I use a plastic bag again and let that process and rinse it out. And now I'm gonna go in with my toner. Just warning guys, this stuff smells like freaking death. I'm not gonna lie, that's why I'm like choking right there. But it works and it does burn your scalp, so be prepared to choke and burn. Also, this stuff does turn purple as it sits on your hair longer, so don't be alarmed. It doesn't actually turn your hair purple, but that's just the color correcting, so you're not gonna have purple hair, I promise. Once I'm done, I let that sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it out, and then you have some beautiful platinum colored hair. And you guys can stop here if you want this color, but I personally like to have a silvery gray color, so that's what I'm going in and doing right now. I'm using Arctic Fox Transylvania and some purple from Manic, and then taking some conditioner just to dilute it. And then I just apply this all over my hair. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial of this, I have a video and I will link it in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. But this is just the usual color I end up dyeing my hair. Once again, I let this sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it out. So I was dumb and forgot to film an after clip of my hair, so I'm gonna put in a clip here of another video of mine that I filmed right after I dyed my hair, but it turned out really great and I'm honestly super happy. Hey guys, it's me again. So I forgot to add in, I get a lot of questions about how long the color lasts. So typically with this like silvery kind of color, it lasts about a month until it's like completely all gone and my hair is more of like a platinum blonde. But I use purple shampoo every single time I take a shower, and I don't wash my hair. I wash my hair probably once or twice a week, and I highly recommend doing that if you have platinum hair or if you have colored hair, because it just makes the color last longer and not turn brassy. And as far as my root, I usually re-dye it. I don't re-dye it as much as I probably should, but I usually re-dye it like every 3-ish months. So this is it about like a month and a half so later, so my hair grows pretty fast. But yeah, that's kind of all I had to say. The air vent, I swear this is gonna be the death of me. Okay, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, don't forget to leave your video suggestions in the comments below. There's people out there, I'm sorry, I'm in college now, the walls are thin, this is what happens. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumb. There's people. Okay, I think the coast is clear. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me. And if you're interested in checking out my previous videos, you can click them right over there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.